as well brush it just a hair. Because I want it all uniform, the same. That's the tricky part with using a roller and trying to cut in with the brush, because you get two different surfaces, but because it's a dark brown, it's really not gonna matter too much. Just take your time. Just take your time. Okay. I guess I'll go back. You can do it. You can do it any old way you want. Could have done this edge first. Or last, or whatever. The sun's really not hitting me. The sun has gone kind of bye-bye. It's still out. And I was wondering if it was going to be warm enough outside to do this. And it seems to be, so I'm going to continue on. I can see exactly where I need to go because of the different color. There. Okay, there's one step. Now I'm just going to keep on going. Same way. Just like that. Just going to continue. I'm not going to be in a big old rush or anything. I mean, obviously I need to not dilly-dally. I'm going to try not to hit the riser, the stair riser this time when I use this roller. You don't have to call a professional painter to come out and do your stairs. Okay? You should be able to do this on your own. This is just a 4-inch roller, mini roller, and it's got a 3/8 nap roller cover on it. Now see, if I wanted to, I could have cut everything in first and then done the roller and try to get it as close as I could and then just leave it. And then the paintbrush marks are just around on the edge. Because see, after that I could go with the roller and just get it close. wondering if that's what I should do. Then the paintbrush strokes are just over on the edges, you know. And then I've got a kind of a ripply type effect, and if I do that, I think I might do that. If I do that, then I should go back over the top step. Maybe I should. See, once I do that, then I could take, whoops, I could take my roller and just go up as close as possible. And I've got that same little stipple type effect everywhere. And I think I like that more. Besides, on the steps, I don't want it too smooth. You know what I mean? So I think, I got it all on the stucco there, dabbity nabbit. Well. I don't know why I'm hitting that again. Oh, because I did it with the paintbrush. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little bit on that top step. And that way I'll have that stippled look on everything, other than just right in the around the edge, you know what I mean? You look on your paint rollers and stuff, that's just how it works. There's just a hair of a stippled look. Even if you used a sponge roller, I could have used a sponge roller cover, but it's still going to have its own pattern too. Slightly different than this roller cover, but it'll give itself a little pattern. It's like a very thin stipple, and I'm glad I'm doing this over. It makes everything more uniform. And with the paintbrush, and see, so actually the paintbrush markings are just close to the wall, and that's it. And that is it. Okay. So since that's the case, well, I think I'm going to do this next one. I'll do the cut in. I'll do the cut in first. Or actually, I've got to do up underneath, huh? this way so I got enough paint up there. Look, I didn't really get any paint on me. And if you're concerned about that, put some crappy clothes on, or you can use the paint coveralls. Remember that I used before? You can get those at, I've got mine at Home Depot for about $10 or $11, and I went to a paint store and they were $7 or $8. And lots of times regular paint stores, sometimes they cost more than like Home Depot, Lowe's, Ace, places like that. But don't count them out. Lots of time they have really good deals on different things. So if you can't find it at a regular store, if you're close to a paint store, go check it out and see what you can get there.